Welcome guys back to another video. And I actually got today I got Row Pro and Row Gold and I have BTR. So I have like the three main Roblox extensions and they're pretty fun. You can see that I have 9 hours on Pet Sim, making memes in my basement 1 hour, and on Block Fruits 43 minutes. So you can basically see what I'm playing. Yeah, I'm not playing like Feet Finder games, basically. Um, ooh, I'm a beautiful artist. What? What? Yeah, that happens to me now. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I have viruses, and they're really annoying. Um, go starving artists. Boosh. What up? Water break. Oh. Some free ASMR if you guys heard that. I got diarrhea now because I'm so cringed out. Makes pooping noises. Ah. God, bro. Yeah, that's why please donate is better. That super duper laggy. I've played this game before, but I don't think I have any Robux raised. Yeah. I made this. That is that. You can't miss it. Let's remove this. Let me make. Can I not make art? Oh, okay. Yes. Alright. We're gonna make SpongeBob. It's like kinda like yellow. And he like a square. No, more like a rectangle. I would say so myself. Because I don't know. Who doesn't know SpongeBob? I actually haven't watched the show. I've just seen a lot of TikTok clips. I do want to watch the show. I do like the moments in it. Just kind of giving him some dimension, because I don't think that SpongeBob is perfectly a rectangle, if I'm being honest. Alright, it doesn't really look like SpongeBob yet. Alright, let's give him some beautiful looking eyes. Like, looks absolutely fabulous. It's absolutely fab. I have no. Yeah, that. Alright. Yes. Alright, now let's draw like holes in him. Because like, he has holes in him, right? Does SpongeBob have holes in him? Well, I got no idea if I'm being honest. Let's get the legs. His arms look like wings. That's not a good thing. He looks like a bodybuilder. Wait, what does SpongeBob pants look like? SpongeBob. Okay, I guess we're taking a wild guess here. You know what? I'm making I have Hulk pants. Hulk pants are super easy to draw. This is Hulk. What? What is this? Alright, we got the trousers on. A little bit higher. Looks absolutely fabulous. It looks like I'm covering his private part. Beautiful. SpongeBob Hulk pants. ASMR. Yeah, I got this other art. I didn't draw this. I didn't draw this. I didn't draw that. I didn't draw this. I didn't draw this. I didn't draw this. I only drew this and this. Let's make it 50 Robux. Alright, let's go ask someone. Please, please, Robux, man. I really need it. Homeless. Aw. Liz. Liz. Donate. You donate. Woman. Ass cat. Alright. You have make 5 Robux. Very good English, bro. I'll check the shop and then I think I'm gonna find different. Oh. Did I just flop over? Alright. Let me just not flop over again. ASMR break. Let the Oh hell nah. Alright, this is good. I like the candy. Ew, it had something to do with like sugary. That's the rare candy from Pokemon. Yeah, I know my Pokemon stuff. Most valuable art sub to laser beam. I'm guessing it's been sold. Yeah, they're pretty good arts. I like this one. Oh, I think that's the Bloxy Awards. Pretty good woman too. Oh, they even did the blushing too. I like my type is girls with like darkish hair. So basically brunette, dark, long hair. Alright, let's choose a different game. Look at that little foxy. Why would I ever do quiz? ASMR break. A lot of ASMR breaks because I'm thirsty. What? Plugins. You have not favorite items in this library. The heck is the library? You mean the what? This is probably Rogold Baller. Yeah, of course that's. How does this not have scripts? YouTube notification. Alright. Clicker. That's the Pixel Demon. Wait. Um. Wait. We can play Pet Sim X. I mean Pet Sim Z. Um. Hello. Yeah, I'm Giga Chad. Um. And I have to be in the small games. Yes. Please don't be down. Please don't be down. Yes, it's up. No. Oh, let's go. It's up. This game is pretty good. But Roblox keeps on deleting the game. It's so annoying. Oh, that's cool. Like double numbers, like 11, 22, and then 22. My pet? Bet. Let's pick the cat. Name him. Sadawad. You know this game is fun, because just wait. Oh yeah, it only works in private servers. I have to go on a private server. Wait, if someone posts... Someone would probably help me out. Huh. I know that one, and I know that one. Let's go the huge dragon. Come on, I wanna, help? Nah, I can't see nothing in there. What's the point of even doing that? Oh my, it took them that long to do it. That doesn't even look like a huge. Oh, it looks small. Ooh, game codes. What do you think small games is gonna give me? Small games. What'd it give me? I don't know. Bro, I just it gives me all OMG lucky. Bro, I just wish I could rebirth, but I need to get creator of pets for a dog. Need 10. Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna. Oh, Halloween event. Bro, I will hatch it. Oh, it just gives me 22 out of. I mean, low key. Mm. Alright, guys. So you can see this game is pretty fun. You just gotta join their Discord server to join this game. Basically, I don't think you can just search up Pet Sim Z, but I think we're gonna end this video, guys. See ya.